Yo, how's it going, guys? Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're gonna be doing a little cook-up, a little beat cook-up. I'm gonna be doing a trap beat of sorts. I'm not really sure which. Yesterday I was making this preset, and this is the preset that's coming in one of my Lo-Fi packs coming soon. It comes with loads of sounds and some serum presets and stuff. And I was mucking about with this preset and the MIDI file, which I'm gonna load in a second. And man, it sounded great. I think I played this in C minor 88 BPM, and that's a C minor chord. Then we got an A diminished chord here, and then we got a F minor chord there as well, and that kind of just repeats itself with a nice little melody on top. But when I pitch it down, sounds cool. I want to go with that. Come on, Jay, that. Let's consolidate it. And then boom, we have our sample. I want to get this sample in a sampler, but first of all, I don't really like the pitch of this. Sounds cool, but I think it could sound cooler if we went down a little bit. So we're gonna take this and I'm just gonna set up a new sampler, and I'm gonna go simpler. Oh yeah, man, that's gonna be wicked. Command A all that and just shift it out so we can see the notes a bit more. Let's go for 16th quantize. Let's go for A sharp there. Maybe if we drag that out a bit. Okay, yeah, I think that's quite nice. That'd be like if we reverb this out towards the end and have like a delay, and then we can go into that like little bridge melody. So I'm gonna get Valhalla Supermassive on this. I'm gonna take out quite a lot of the lows. Sounds quite nice. I like that reverb. I'm gonna go for some RC20 as well, or retro color. Let's get some wobble in there. Sounds a bit too resonant for me as well, so I'm gonna get some smooth operator on there. I can see that peak there. I don't know whether I should go into that. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's run with it. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna stick with that melody because I really like that melody. So we're just gonna get a drum rack on the instruments tab. Where's the drum rack? And we're just gonna fill it with some sounds. Champagne clap. I think that fits well with the vibe. Start getting some drums in around here. That definitely, like, that all washed out in the intro. Dun, 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 dun. Boo, boo, boo. Yeah, we want to. That's gonna make a nice. Oh no, actually, wait. We want to take out this one there just before. Then we got this before. Then this comes in, and we start to open it up. We're gonna open up the filter as we're going along. Let's go. Boom. All right. EQ8. Nice. Open up that filter. We got to remember that I also did this here, so we need to open that up as well. I don't want to open up fully because I still want a little bit of like lo-fi-ness to it. I like it. Yeah, that's nice. I think we also need to take that reverb down a little bit as it comes into the main. We're gonna go up and then boom. Then we need some drums in there. Where's that thing you need? You know, the vocal, that looks terrible. Yeah, that needs to be madly quantized, but we've got the main vibe going down. What I'm gonna do is I think the second part was played a lot better. So I'm just gonna repeat this. Go here. And this is gonna be, I want that to be like a little bit more gated. Yeah, change the velocity of these hats a bit. This one hot, this one low, and that one high. Just gives it a bounce. And I'm also gonna put this on gate mode as well, and we're gonna allow that to be smaller. Just adds a like nice little like glitchy, hoppy feel to it. Let's get the kick in. Snare layered on that kick, clap, and another clap layered on that hat thing there. Ooh, that's a big old spider. Now, I'm gonna go into operator and we're gonna make our own 808. Pitch envelope. I'm gonna take vocal shot there. Get a reverb. Let's go for huge. Let's go for hydro harp. So we're gonna go for reverb on the drums. At the start of the track, I feel like it could really do like a nice like short reverb. Yeah, that sounds cool with that reverb on it. We'll take that reverb down as well. Yeah, that's nice. We need some extra stuff in there when it comes in properly. We need some like effects on this thing here. Okay, this has got a tape stub effect in it. I mean, this is like the most stupid thing to use this synth for because it's like the most powerful synth ever. If you want to learn more about Rapid and what it does, man, check out my review over on the website. It's crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna fade this in as well so it don't sound like bad. And we want like a nice little, probably this in there. Definitely want some reverb on that. Definitely want some EQ on this as well. I want to put a little bit of stuff on the snare and stuff, and maybe do some more stuff with hats and the drum melody, but that is like a nice beat, I think. Anyway, so listen. Then I need a hook, but I'm happy with this beat right now. Wow, this was only 14 tracks. That is crazy. Crazy what you can do with 14 tracks. Like just a sample and an 808 and some drums, man, and some effects, like boom, and you got something that sounds really good. Especially with like trap for like rap. If you do want to see some more tutorials, sound design tutorials over on the channel, on the website, there's loads of stuff, loads of free resources over on the website. There's loads of free resources on this channel. All the links are in the description below. The Lo-Fi pack is coming soon, very soon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. In a bit.